Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Afield Roads. No, I'm not. I'm back at Afield for my Afield Roads expansion update. There we go. It's early in the morning, so it's 9 o'clock in the morning. I was doing my giveaway this morning and people turned up. I'm happy about. A little bit heartbreaking because it was two kids who both come over to me to get the prize. Little Amelia was first and gave me the password of fire, so well done Amelia. And Logan, I'm really sorry mate, okay. Yeah, Amelia came with her dad, Logan come with his mum and dad. So I'm really happy that it's gone to a child, by the way. That's why I done it at 9 o'clock in the morning. I was hoping a child would turn up and give me the password so they could have the little prize. So the reason why I gave the password of fire was because it was an Amazon Fire tablet. So yeah, I'm really glad it's gone to a child. I'm just gutted that it was two that turned up at once. It's heartbreaking. But Logan, he was grateful. He was really understanding. His parents, brilliant as well. Because Amelia had been here early, apparently. And she was here first, so the parents were understanding that she got the tablet. So that it was nice. We all had a little chat and got a selfie. So here's the selfie was all. Got Amelia, Logan, and Amelia's dad, and Logan's mum and dad, and the dog. Okay, so thanks for turning up, guys. It meant a lot. I thought I'd get here and there'd be no one here, but yeah, thank you. So congratulations, and Logan, happy birthday, mate. It's Logan's birthday today, so can everyone wish Logan a happy birthday? All the best to you, Logan. Hope you have a great day, mate. Right, we'll have a look over the stand. I can hear something going on, but I can't. Give me a second. Let me come down and back a touch. See, I can't see anything up in the air. I can't. Sound is over the side, but you know what? It sounds like it's coming from inside. It sounds echoey. I don't know if it's coming across well on the microphone. So it sounds like something's going on inside here. Could actually be that that corner section as well. Right, let me get over the ground and have a good look. Yeah, Amelia's dad said he's been up and I'd been asking for seats as well, but the people on the gate had just giving him a point blank no, you can't have one. Oh, it's a shame that they wouldn't give the seats away to people. I'm just seeing if there's anything going on here because I can hear. No, nothing there. Just these guys. Then again, there's a little something going on. No, I'm not playing Chase the Sound. I can't find it. There's still vehicles and stuff. Right, that was like that. Why haven't these been removed off the pitch? They were like that yesterday. With the same stuff in. Okay. These are still to go up, aren't they? So for the pitch to get handed back on the 2nd of July, they've got to start moving now. Because for the pitch to be handed back on the 2nd of July, all these will have to be up and gone. Okay. Yeah, I had a few people complaining as well that they're going to unsubscribe because they didn't have a chance of winning the thing because they're not from Liverpool. Someone said that, so because you're not from Liverpool you can't win competitions. It was just a little something to give away to someone who turned up. As a lot of people do turn up in the park and have a little chat with me, you know, hoping to find me. Okay, so it's just a little bit of appreciation for those that turned up, and it went to a child, which I'm glad about, because those turn up and have a little chat and watch my videos really religiously. Okay, so pardon me. It's not if you're not from Liverpool that you can't win anything. I will be doing more competitions. Just a little bit of appreciation for those that turned up, that's all. Yeah, so we've got quite a few answers on the red dots on the windows, which I didn't expect. So, a couple of reasons. One was to let the fire brigades know it's tempered glass. That was one. Another one was to say to stop birds flying into them. That was another one. And another one that made sense was people who are drunk on match days walking towards the window, to let them know there's a window there and not just walk into the window. Which are all feasible answers. So thank you for chipping in on that one. Let's have a little quick look at this scaffolding and then I will crack on with my day. So it looks like there might be quite a bit of work going on today. Oh, hold on, we found where the noise is coming from. No, it's not from there, it's coming from right round the sides. So, taking down scaffolding here, are they? Or putting scaffolding up. Yeah, it's putting scaffolding up. Because a bit of work needs doing along here. The columns need doing. Yeah, so that's getting put up there. Little scaffolding platform to do that bit just there. Okay. Some digging going on there. I may have to start concentrating on the outside now, guys. Looks like the most work's going on here. Yeah, so plenty of work going on the outside here. A little look there, see if there's anything I can notice different. I can't. Right, so I'm going to leave it there, guys. Little Sunday morning look around. There looks like there's quite a bit of work going on, sorry. So I'm gonna say congratulations to Amelia for getting the fire tablet. Well done, congratulations Amelia. And happy birthday to Logan. And you're literally 60 seconds away from me. It's just one of them things. But you're really grateful, you're really appreciative as well. So yeah, I appreciate that, mate. Thank you. Right, leave it there, guys. As always, look after yourselves and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.